Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a mini lesson regarding multiplying double digits. So, multiplying double digits is a lot of fun because what you do is you do each one singly and then you add a zero and add them up. So let me show you what I mean. We're just going to do 11 times 11. Okay? This is a nice easy number to do. So, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Now we're going to put a 0 then and do the next part. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay? Now we're going to add them up. And that becomes 1, 2, 1. So 11 times 11 is 121. Now, there's some problems that they gave us on our worksheet. Let's see if we can practice with those. Now we're going to do 11 times 12, if my marker will write for me. It's always fun when it doesn't really write. Okay, so 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2. 2 times 1 again is 2, so you have 22. Now plus, and we're putting a 0 in this place before we move on to this one. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So the answer here is 132. Ta-da! Okay, now we're going to do 19 times 21. Let me put this in here so we can actually write our answers in after we do it. One 32. Okay, so 9 times 1 is 9. 1 times 1 is 1. Now plus, put a 0 in that space, and then 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18. So 8. I'm going to carry over that 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. Okay, so now we have 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 3. 399. Oh my goodness, that's just crazy. Okay, next. 14 times 15. My marker is hating me. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20. So we're putting the 0, 2, and moving the other 0 there and putting the 2 for a little bit later. 5 times 1 is 5. Now we're going to add the 2, and that makes it 70. Okay? Plus 0 in place. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. Add this all together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 4 is 11. Carry over that 1. 1 plus 1 is now 2. So 210. So once again, 14 times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 0 goes here, 2 goes there. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. 0 goes here, then start. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. Ignore that 2 from this time. Then we add these up. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 4 is 11, and my marker hates me again. 1 plus 1 is 2. All right, let's see if we can do this one. 20. Wow. This is going to be a fun one. 25 times 24. Okay. 5 times 4, once again, is 20. So we're putting the 0 there and keeping the 2 on the top for a little later. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. So now We're going on to the other ones. We start out with the 0 on the bottom, and then we start. 2 times 5 is 10, so we're putting down the 0, putting the 1 at the top. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Let's add those up. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 1, 6. So this one would be 600 if it'll write for me. So, see? 4 times 25, 100. 2 times 25 should be 50, but you put the 0 at the end because it's in the tens place. You want to add that tens place in. That's why we're doing that. That's why place value is very important to know. And that equals 600 with my horrible marker. We're going to do one more to see if we can help you one more time. So we're going to do 17 times, think of a good one, 85. That's a very big one. Okay, so 7 times 5 is 35. So the 5 goes down, 3 goes up on the side. 5 times 1 is 5. Now let's add in that 3, and that makes it 8. Put in the 0 before we start on the next part. 8 times 7. I never remember my 7 times tables. That's one thing I told you about. So 7 all the way over to 8, 56. And you guys are allowed to do this too. So we're putting down the 6, having the 5 on the side for a little later. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Oh, this is a big number. 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 6 is 14. Plus, bring that 1 over. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then the 1 plus 0, because there's nothing there, is 1. So 1,445. So, once again, 17. 5 times 7 is 5. Bring that 3. There'll be a 3 here too. 3 over. 5 times 1 would be 5 plus 1, 2, 3 makes it 8. Okay, now we start out with that 0 because that's the tens place. 8 times 7 is 56, so the 6 goes here, the 5 goes up there. 8 times 1 is 8, plus the 5 makes it 13. Now we add them up. 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 6, 14. Carry that 1 over. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 1. Kind of fun. So as long as you know your single place values for your multiplication tables, you should be able to solve any number because it works out all the same for any of them. If you have 3 digits by 3 digits, you add 2 zeros because then you're in the hundredths place, and so on and so forth. Though honestly, if you're going up to 3 digits, I would use a calculator because most people do. If you're really good at math, go ahead, enjoy it. But I'm fine with a calculator after the 2-digit places. All right? Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.